Starting an online business is easier than ever. With Shopify, anyone with an idea can create a thriving online store. Shopify provides all the tools you need to get started. Sign up, enter your email, create a password, and choose a store name. Your Shopify dashboard is your control center. Manage all aspects of your store here. Click Add Product to list your items. Fill in the product details and upload images. Customize your store's look by selecting and editing a theme. Add apps from the Shopify App Store to enhance your store's functionality. Set up payment methods and shipping options in the Settings section. Preview your store and click Publish to go live. Shopify makes your e-commerce dreams a reality. Let's walk through signing up for Shopify and setting up your store. First, visit the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button to begin your journey. Enter your email, password, and store name. Shopify offers a free trial period. Use this time to explore the platform. Once signed up, you'll be taken to the admin dashboard. Select a paid plan after the trial to continue using Shopify. Customize your store, add products, and track sales. Shopify's Help Center offers articles and guides. Contact their 24/7 support for any issues or questions. With these tools, you'll create a successful online store with Shopify. Your store's design is crucial. It's the first thing customers notice. A well-designed store can attract customers and boost sales. Shopify simplifies the process of creating a beautiful store. Start by choosing a theme from Shopify's variety of free and paid options. These themes provide a foundational design for your store. Select a theme that aligns with your brand and products. Next, customize the theme to suit your preferences. Within the theme editor, adjust the colors, fonts, and layout. Add your logo and other branding elements to personalize your store. Shopify's customization options are highly flexible. You can create a store that truly reflects your unique style. Ensure your design is clean and easy to navigate. Customers should be able to find what they are looking for effortlessly. Now it's time to add products to your store. In your Shopify admin, go to the Products section. Click on Add Product. You will need to provide some basic information about your product. Give your product a clear and concise title. Write a detailed description that highlights its features and benefits. Use high-quality images to showcase your product from different angles. When writing product descriptions, think like a customer. What would you want to know about this product? Be specific about the materials, dimensions, and care instructions. Use persuasive language to encourage sales. Good images are crucial for online sales. Use natural lighting and a neutral background. Show your product in use. You can also use lifestyle images to create an emotional connection with your customers. Include relevant keywords to improve searchability. Always proofread your descriptions for errors. Choose the best photos that represent your product accurately. Before you can start selling, set up your payment and shipping options. Shopify integrates with PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments. Go to Settings, then Payments to configure. Decide on your shipping rates. Offer free, flat, or calculated rates. Go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Offer multiple payment options. This can improve your conversion rate. Section 6. Setting the rules. Essential store policies. Store policies are crucial for building trust with your customers. Start by outlining your terms of service, refund policy, and privacy policy. Clear policies can help you avoid misunderstandings and disputes. Create separate pages for each policy on your website. Ensure these pages are easy to find and navigate. Use clear and concise language. Avoid legal jargon to make them understandable. Your customers should easily understand their rights and responsibilities. For your refund policy, clearly state whether you offer refunds, exchanges, or store credit. Specify the time frame for returns and any conditions that apply. Your privacy policy should explain how you collect, use, and protect customer data. Having clear policies shows your customers that you are professional and trustworthy. It also protects you legally. Take the time to craft comprehensive policies that address all potential scenarios. Section 7. Ready, Set, Launch. Testing your Shopify store. Before you launch your store, it's crucial to test everything thoroughly. Go through the entire customer journey yourself. Create a test order to ensure the checkout process is smooth. Check all the links on your website. Make sure they are working correctly. View your store on different devices such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Ensure it is responsive and visually appealing on all screen sizes. Ask friends and family to review your store and provide feedback. They can spot any errors or areas for improvement that you might have missed. Their fresh perspective can be invaluable. Once you are satisfied with everything, it's time to launch your store. Click the Publish button, and your store will go live. Congratulations on taking the leap into e-commerce. Section 8. Spread the word. Marketing and maintaining your store. Launching your store is just the beginning. Now you need to attract customers and make sales. There are many ways to market your Shopify store. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching your target audience. Create engaging content that showcases your products. Run targeted ads to reach potential customers interested in what you offer. Content marketing is another effective strategy. Start a blog or create videos related to your niche. Provide valuable information to your audience. This can help you establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Email marketing is a great way to stay in touch with your customers. Collect email addresses and send out regular newsletters with promotions and updates. Offer exclusive discounts to your subscribers to encourage repeat purchases. Optimize your store for search engines by using SEO best practices. Regularly update your store with new products, blog posts, and promotions to keep customers engaged.